Hello students, thanks for continue watching my lessons. We are on the nice, actually very interesting stage. We will start exploring the products, and Magento have plenty of options which we could review in terms of products. So we are on the home page of dashboard, actually in the dashboard, and let's move on. I'm gonna click products, and I'm gonna click catalog. And we have a button, a nice orange button here at product, and let's click on the drop down section, and we have a different type of products here. We have simple product, we have configurable product, groups product, visual product, bundle product, and downloadable product. So Magento did very nice in this particular area. We have options to select from, and let's briefly discuss the purpose or actual nature of each product type. I'm gonna return to my type with presentation, and I'm gonna open it now, and we will quickly check the definition of each product and we will discuss it. So simple product is just physical item with a single SKU. So for example, this could be a watch, this could be a glasses, this could be for example cup, or whatever in a particular configuration. So that's what we call simple product. The next one is a configurable product. Let's check the definition. Configurable product is a single product with list of options for each variation. However, each option represents a separate simple product with a distinct SKU. So here is example. For example, we are selling jacket. I'm not a big fan of brands, but I wear Tommy Hilfiger, and this jacket could be different sizes and different colors. So each particular variation of size and color is practically a variation that will be covered by configurable product. So we create a configurable product with different variations, and each variation has its unique SKU. So that's what we call configurable product. So once again, this could be jacket, but practically it could be whatever, but jacket is a nice example, or short with different sizes and different colors. So that's where we're gonna use a configurable product. As the next one is a grouped product. Let's check the definition. Grouped products are a number of standalone products presented in group. So in the previous example, we have seen particular products and different options, size and color. In this example, we will talk about separated products. So let's say we have a nice jacket. Once again, I'm a big fan of jackets, and we have pants and shirt and shoes that will suit to this jacket. So if someone buy all together, it will look really nice. It will look really nice, and this actual kit is very suitable. So all standalone products, but if someone actually wear all of them at once, it look really nice. So we would like to create a grouped products where we would like to offer these four products: jacket, pants, shirt, and shoes in one single product page. And that's the case when we will use a grouped product. The next one is a virtual product. Let's check the definition. Virtual products are not tangible products and are typically used for products such as services, memberships, warranties, and subscriptions. So let's talk a little bit about this. So virtual product is not a physical product, but it still delivers value. For example, I indicated gift certificate. So if someone purchase gift certificate, they pay, but more likely we will not ship something to them. We could send some papers, of course, but more likely we will not, and we will send them like digital code, which someone, or actually the person who order, will able to use one day and obtain some benefits, or actually purchase the products. So it's something virtual, but it still delivers the value. And the good example is a gift certificate or extended warranty or something like that. So let's move on, and we have a bundle product here. So let's check the definition. A bundle product let customers build their own from an assortment of options. And I have several examples here, but let's talk about desktop computer. So let's say we're in hardware business and we are selling computers, and we would like to offer a desktop case to the customer, and it actually may cost $0. And when they select the case, they can actually select hardware that they would like to obtain. They could select motherboard. We could offer several motherboards to them. They could select CPU. We could actually provide them with, for example, Intel CPU or AMD CPU. We could also offer them RAM memory. This could be 16 gigabytes or 32 gigabytes. We could also offer them hard drives. This could be SSD drive or just regular hard drive. And customer could select exactly what they want from the options that we offer. So that's what we call a bundle product. And finally, downloadable product. Let's check the definition. A digitally downloadable product that consists of one or more files that are downloaded. So here is everything is very simple. This could be everything that will need to be downloaded. This could be a video, for example. This could be video training or software or program or something like that. So that's what we have on the board, and Magento really nice from this point. It offers different product types, and I'm sure you will find the one you need for your business, or you will use several of offered product types. In the upcoming set of lessons, we will actually review each particular product type in details. We will learn how to create it, and we will learn how to manage it. So follow me, continue watching the lessons, and see you on the next lesson.